Now that we've taken you through the first two videos for our Dinevite platform, and you've created your own personal profile as well as your restaurant profile, we're going to show you how to manage your profile page. So you can go back to your profile by clicking the sidebar and getting back to your personal profile. You can access your dashboard here or here. Either way, it'll take you to the same page. Here is your restaurant dashboard. If you had multiple restaurants, they'd all be listed here. But since we only have one restaurant, we're just going to click on this location, and this is our back end dashboard. You have your profile, which you can scroll down and see all your attributes. If you have any live offers, everything will be here. How many pending offers, how many completed offers, what's your progress here. You can change your logo. You can also edit your profile right here, but since our profile is pretty complete, we're going to leave it alone right now. So here you have your first section called offers. Now the first thing we're going to talk about in this video is managing your live offers. So here's a live offer. You're going to click on this, and it says this is a list of live offers created. You can click the on button to create a new one if you wish. So we're going to activate our live offer feature, and we're going to go into our create a live offer button to start creating live offers. So let's say we start off with a very specific offer. We're going to do a lunch special starting July 1st, and we're going to run it for approximately 2 months. And we're going to do, our special is going to run every day from 11 a.m. to 4 p.m. And we're going to create an option here. So as you can see, our preset offers are empty, but we can go ahead and create one right here on the fly. So we're going to call this 50% off all appetizers Monday to Friday, 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. And we're going to hit add. So now as you can see, it's not there, but if you click this, it's now in your preset offers to use for future deals. If you're not happy with this, you can go back in and create another one. So let's say we want to do 25% off all lunch items, weekdays only, 12 p.m. to 4 p.m. You hit add, and now you can go back into this drop down and pick which offer you want to choose. In this case, we're going to choose this offer. If you want this offer to be a dine-in or a takeout offer, you can toggle either one of these buttons, and you can actually create a custom image just for this offer. So we're just going to put one of these generic images in here. Your offer is set to go live, and we're going to save the offer. So now your first offer is live on the Dinevite platform. I'd like to show you what it looks like when somebody accepts one of your live offers. So we're going to scroll up, and we're going to look at my confirmed offers. Your confirmed offers are anytime somebody confirms one of your live offers and accepts them, it automatically goes into your confirmed offers. So you can see here the name, the date of the reservation, how many guests, what the special they're getting. If you want to open it up, you just click on the name of the person, and there's the QR code you can scan to check them in with all the information. So it says Eddie Fahmy, email address, phone number, reservation date and time, the reservation status, which is confirmed, and this is the offer they're receiving. So now you know this person is showing up at your restaurant on that date and time. If you'd like to turn off this live offer at any time, you just click back into the offer, you scroll down, and you click no to you want this live offer on, and hit save the offer. So now it goes into your pending file, meaning you can go back and use it anytime you want. But for now, this is not visible to the public.